Hi, my name is Enoch Hernandez and I'm an application engineer at Hawkridge Systems. Today we're going to be talking about the contour select tool and contours themselves. Now what constitutes a contour is circles, squares, triangles, anything that's a close profile will be considered a contour. Now the reason that I'm bringing this up is because I'm trying to find a streamlined way to design. And one of those ways is to create multiple contours or profiles on different planes and try to reduce that amount of planes that I would use. Here I have two different planes and multiple contours that I have designed. Now there's different ways to be able to select them individually. The first way would be to just click on my Features tab, select my extruded boss base. I would click on the sketch that I'd want, and below you can notice in the box group I have the selected contours on. I have selected the sketch. I can modify it. I can either select the profile of them or shaded region like so. Then I can just go ahead and extrude it out. Now another way to be able to do this is by pre-selecting, and we can pre-select two different ways. One of those ways is just to go ahead and select an edge, and what it'll do, it'll grab the profile that it belongs and will automatically be selected here in the contour select box like I have them right now. I can click OK if I want to. I'll just leave that as a midplane and click OK. Now again, we're going back and using multiple times the same sketches over because I have still more profiles that I can use or different contours. So I'm going to go back. And I'm actually going to make this visible so I can see it. And now I'm going to pre-select in a different way. The way that I'm going to pre-select is going to be by using the contour select tool. To do that, I can just right click in the graphics area, click here where it says contour select tool, and I can pick the area that I want, whether it's the shaded region. I'm going to pick this region here. Then I can click on the extruded boss base, and again it's been pre-selected for me. So again, I'll do a midplane just to fill that up and click OK. So again, I can use multiple contours to be able to create solids and in other sketch features such as an extruded cut. So if I want to, I can click again on the extruded cut, click on the profile that I want. It activates the selected contours group box there. And I'm just going to go cut this in both directions and click OK. So again, you can see how many things I've done without creating a sketch, without building on top of a feature, by just going back and using these multiple contours that I have available to me. And now I've been able to create the part how I want it to be. In this blog, we have talked about how I can use multiple contours as well as using the contour select tool by either pre-selecting, going into a feature, and be able to use the group box inside the selected contours. If you have any other tips and tricks, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section and give us a like. Thanks again.